Welcome to GovClarity, where we break down complex government procedures into clear, easy-to-follow steps. Please note, we are not a government agency. We aim to help you navigate these procedures with confidence, but always verify information through official government sources. You'll find both our complete guide and official links in the More section.
Facing a tax bill you can't pay? You're not alone. Millions of Americans set up IRS payment plans each year. Today, we'll show you exactly how to do the same while minimizing penalties. If you can't pay your tax bill in full, don't panic. The IRS offers payment plans to help you manage your tax debt and avoid severe penalties. For the most current information, always check IRS.gov, the official source for tax guidance. Even with a payment plan, interest and penalties continue until you've paid in full. The interest changes periodically, but is typically several percentage points above the federal rate. Penalties include 0.5% monthly for failure to pay and 5% monthly for failure to file. For example, if you owe $5,000 in taxes but can only afford $200 monthly, a long-term plan would allow you to pay over about 26 months, though you'll pay approximately $300 extra in interest and penalties. The IRS offers two main types of payment plans. Short-term plans let you pay within 180 days with no setup fee if you owe under $100,000. This is your best option if you can pay in full within 6 months. Long-term installment agreements let you make monthly payments if you owe $50,000 or less for individuals or $25,000 or less for businesses. For most taxpayers, this option with direct debit provides the best combination of affordable payments and low fees. If you owe $10,000 or less, you may qualify for a guaranteed installment agreement if you've paid and filed on time for 5 years, can pay within 3 years, and prove financial need. For amounts over $50,000, you'll need to provide detailed financial information. If you've just received a tax bill, act quickly. Setting up a payment plan within 60 days of receiving your first notice can help you avoid additional collection activities. The fastest way to apply is online at the IRS website. To apply online, you must have filed all required tax returns. You can also apply by phone at 1-800-829-1040, by mail using Form 9465, or in person. To apply, you'll need your personal information, Social Security number, any IRS notices, filing status, and bank account information for direct debit. Setup fees vary based on how you apply and pay. The most affordable option is applying online with direct debit at just $22. Other options cost more. $69 for online applications with other payment methods, $107 for phone, mail, or in-person applications with direct debit, and $178 for phone, mail, or in-person with other payment methods. Lower-income taxpayers may qualify for reduced fees if your income is at or below 250% of the federal poverty level. Direct debit is the most convenient payment option and ensures you never miss a payment. Worried about the IRS having access to your bank account? The IRS can only withdraw the exact amount you've agreed to each month, nothing more. You can also pay by card, check, or money order, though these may include additional processing fees. Once approved, the IRS will continue charging penalties and interest. They will apply any tax refunds to your debt. They will file a notice of federal tax lien if you owe more than $10,000, which is a public record of your tax debt that can seriously impact your credit score, and they will require timely filing and payment of future taxes. People often make costly mistakes when dealing with IRS payment plans. Avoid ignoring IRS notices, failing to pay future tax obligations, setting unrealistic payment amounts, not updating your address with the IRS, and not exploring all available options before deciding. If you miss a payment or don't file future returns on time, the IRS may terminate your agreement and resume collection actions. If your situation changes, contact the IRS immediately about modifying your plan. If you can't afford any payment plan, you might qualify for currently not collectible status if you can prove financial hardship. Or you might qualify for an offer in compromise to settle for less than the full amount. These options have strict requirements and may require professional assistance. Remember, these plans only cover federal taxes. For state taxes, contact your state tax agency. Ready to get started? Gather your most recent tax notice, your Social Security number, and your bank account information. For a complete breakdown of payment plan options, fees, and step-by-step guidance, download our comprehensive guide using the link in our description. For more information, visit the IRS website to get started with your payment plan today. Taking action now can help minimize penalties and interest on your tax debt.
Thank you for watching GovClarity. Remember, you can find our complete guide and all official links in the More section. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit. Remember to hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest videos. We're here to make government procedures easier for you every step of the way.